attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, you know. Some people, you don't know, so the attacking boss is here. The one and only. Who? NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. My viewers and my subscribers. You all see the title, my people. You all know the story what me I go talk about now. Because it's really a sad, tough situation, my people. But it's a situation that could have been avoided. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and my subscribers. It's reported that on Saturday, the 17th of August 2024, over there in Michigan, in the United States of America, my people, you have these two Jamaican national, but different people did that, you know, but you have these two Jamaican national, age 33 years old, age 35 years old. It is slated that both men involved in an altercation, my people, where knife do got involved. Sometime after 3 p.m. in the afternoon there, my people. You understand? On the same Saturday, the 17th of August 2024. The Gaylord Police Department over there in Michigan, my people, get a report about this thing. When them reach to the location, which was Sunfrog Solutions, my people, and them say them deal with like t-shirt and them thing, the custom t-shirt, I want a t-shirt bill and make and them thing there, link them up. They found these two young men suffering from knife wounds. Basically, when them look my people like one gone, you understand? One day they fight for life. They managed to rush, fight for life, my people, to the hospital where they go emergency surgery. He managed to survive. Unfortunately, the other Jamaican national, my people, him not make it, him gone. Age of this man are the one who passes away, 33 years old, the one who managed to survive, my people, is 35 years old. Both of them, as I told you, was employed to Sunfrog Solutions with people. Temporary worker over there in the United States of America. So none of these men were citizens of the United States of America. You understand? Both men were there temporarily doing their hustling. On this day of recording this video, it is Tuesday, August the 20th, 2024, my people. So basically like 3 days after we are doing it, because why I never touched this story before, my people? I never just want to run and drop this story. I did want information and credible information pertaining to this. You understand what could have lead up to this? Because it's a sad situation. And instead of me just running a story out there, my people, get some information that can put a little knowledge in others' head, my people. You know what I mean? But sometimes you do beat the knowledge in them that have been doing for quite a few years now, and people still ain't learning. But still, we can't stop put the knowledge out there and try to get people to learn, my people, the real process of life. But as I'm saying now, my people, is that Zine, this youth now who passes away, my people, Fame one is really sad, you know. So him name Shamare, my people. He was a firefighter in Jamaica who was employed at the Trenchtown fire station, my people, at the time of his passing. This brother recently gone up there in the United States of America. Not his first time traveling to the United States of America. His wife is an American citizen, you understand, who lives over there in the United States of America. My people, it is also said that this young man who passed away have two sons. If I'm not wrong, one age 10, one 6 years old, my people. Zine, very sad and tough situation, as I'm telling them, my people. My viewers and my subscribers, then said this young man, he joined the Trenchtown Fire Service back in 2015. So almost 10 years now, you understand? So go back to the age of his youth, get the correction. Them say one is 10 and one is 2 years old. You understand? So young look one and one day, you know what I mean? So one is 10, one is 2 2 years old. My viewers and my subscribers, it is said that this man, young man, right? He was to return back, you know what I mean, to his normal work in Jamaica. We should have been to the Tuesday for the home, you understand? So, him real date was he would come back Tuesday, which him dead Saturday, so boy, nothing could have stopped it basically. But him asked for extension for 10 more days because you know, so things are going good, things look good, and him see a way where he can eat a little more food and thing, you know? It's a hustling, my people. We don't know where go yard, you know? We don't know where go yard. You see me, you have your responsibility, you have your youth them, you know what I mean? Family if you take care of yourself, you know what I mean? This was a youth in the street to party and them thing there. You know what I mean? So, you want some, you know what I mean? You see a little way him can eat a little more food, my people, but you don't know, he was just trying. Make say extension. General or the head of the fire department where I work, you know what I mean, at Trenchtown, the manager comes to boom now and, you know what I mean, the commissioner, and give him an extension, my people. But, as we tell my people, things unfold, things turn the other way, the tragic way, where this 33-year-old young man is no longer with us, people. You know what I mean? My viewers and subscribers, consider this, both men were in the United States on vacation because the visa what them got, it's a, you know what I mean, not a working thing, but as we tell you, hustling them a do. Vacation thing basically. That's the visa them have, my people. Remember, I've seen comments, you know, because number one, as a blogger, you need to do research. You need to do, you know, serious research before you cover a certain story. So I saw comments where a lot of people is saying, boy, United States do not protect nobody because look how these two young men, whatever happened to them. Look, the America get blamed. Judge sees, Judge knows. I've seen rumors saying this young men were fighting over pums. Judge sees, Judge knows. When the dead man tell no tales. The other one did a fight for life, so you know that they go. My viewers and my subscribers, and getting information, because I told my people, and one, from the two of them alone work there. There's other people who work there too. You see me? Other quite a few of them. And getting information from credible sources say, look here. You see this 33-year-old young man who passes away, who goes by the name of Shamare. You understand? Mary, look here. This young man forward at this place here, like say, 4 weeks ago. I work. Not for a long time, people. You see me? And them say, look, this man come to basically on a 30-day vacation. And that's why I'm asking a look extension. You see me? And them say like from the first week, because the other one, you know, my people, the 35-year-old who gone, who dead, who the hospital, who them do emergency surgery and him was there before at this place. Them say friend him see this youth at the first week, it seems like him have a problem with this youth. It's like him not like this youth. You understand? Because this youth, my people, now watch man, now admire man. A youth they put himself together. You know what I mean? A youth who know of a flex. Is a youth who, you get what me I say? Who a serious youth when they come on to your work. He might do him work, him there in a foolishness. A girl seem girly like him, but now say this based because this not based off on a woman thing, you know. Don't get it wrong. We don't go to tell you know. So there can be jealousy upon all type of ends. Zin? And now I cut the story, but for a lot of Jamaicans who work overseas amongst Jamaicans, whether in a hotel or a restaurant or some type of establishment, be honestly taught truth. You go there as a new employee. The quickest person for show you the more tough and the hardest part and the most body face. You want people them. I love my Jamaican people, but taught truth. We just can't live good. We come like we just can't see our brothers them rise up and strive up. It come like we always envious against our own brothers and sisters. Talk the truth, my people. Talk truth. Eh? Instead of us come together and build as one. You notice? The Chinese them come. One Chinese man forward in our local town. He start a local thing. Then I say soon, a next Chinese build beside him. Soon another one build lesser. And you hear none of them are compete against each other and I say, why you come build a thing next door to me? A Jamaican man build a local shop, that's and the next man will build one. We up a road up, that's so. You hear the other one and start call out him bad mind and see him build fee one. You understand? I'm just telling the mindset of our own against our own, my people. It's like we can't come together as one. And this is why you find other nations being dominating over us. When we go other places, especially small island, if you notice how we always like we in a war and tussle against each other, bro. And inform and a care news upon each other and bring down our own. If we see we all make a look move, people I face it in a life naturally. You know me not live a yard, you know. And me face them thing against my own people, you know. You see me? So me a tell you how I think go. We own people quick as yard people sell we out. You see me? So when the facts be where me see people are blast the youth and I talk about girl this girl, you don't know shit. You stop it and I know if you do now, man. The boy just hate to see this youth forward in the place. You see me? And this youth are doing thing, this youth are making thing. Because people they place them work, they deal have a commission too. You see me? And this youth are doing thing and he must stride. It has pain him for know him did a long time and this youth forward and I do him thing and I do good. You see me? Which should never go so. People always have this type of mindset say, if you further one place, you for the lower. You know if you try to go. And him now got the youth to do him thing. That's his personality. Him go there to make a food. You did how long you for try your ways and make your food. You see me? And him, you see me people? Him taught the youth and I the youth until it lead up to where an altercation developed my people. A knife was drawn. You get me? A knife was drawn, my people, and based on information when I get a one knife, you know. And one knife, you know, my people. And one manager comes up and do this to the other one and one grab the knife and take out there was a tussle between the two of them. You see me camera in the place and everything. And then stays a boom and then that boom, boom, boom. You see me? The two of them could have dead. As me tell us them have to do emergency surgery for one. But you just sad, my people. If you know, say this youth go over them, my people. Fee. You know what I mean? Him look up VK what they're hustling where you want to call it. Because yo, thousands of people do it all over the world. You could have a Jamaican, Canadian, Bahamian, people all over the world do these type of things. You understand, my people? Because remember, the United States of America, don't bother believe so when you go over there, goal you go walk on, you know. Not because you see how much people across the border. Only for them cross the border and over there suffer like dog and a beg. You see me? Nobody believes there's a lazy man place. You go over there, make sure say you go over there with a mindset for work. Because if you don't go there for that, you're going to become worthless. Or you're going to put yourself in a things that can lead you. For your 3 points cut short. Or if you go over there saying behind prison walls. Remember me tell you that. So make sure you have a mindset, my people. Let the people that see people and say, yo, why this man not, you know what I mean? Me and my you know me travel back and forth to the state all over my people. And what me do? Me never spend 2 weeks in a no place over in the state. Never because me is a man, you know what me do, my people. Me go there and forward out and experience and see what it's like. You know, I to say, nobody believes your goal. You see me? Are the best country in the world for me. But don't bother when I go out there, I go walk on gold. You understand? And diamonds and pearl. Ain't nothing like that. Make sure you know when I go over there with that mentality. Say, look here, me I go work for better myself and you have to be smart because if you don't smart, you will do your work. Anyway, you tell you this still, you know. You will do your work. 10, 15, 20 years and you have nothing, you achieve nothing, my people. Worse if you got adapt certain lifestyle. You see me? So you have to be smart in this thing, yeah. Remember me tell you that. So, as me go back to the topic, my people, I may say, unfortunately, you see me? This youth here, him dead and gone, left him 2 little ones. All because of envious, bad mind, hate and grudge. Which all of these things could have been avoided now. If a man decides to look here, we are brothers, let's come together as one. If you have that, you know, look on the thing what easy, my people. If we can come together and make 2 mindset work, see, you may know something different than me, because each one teach one, you know, my people, and that's so we can build together, you know. But the thing is, instead of us come together as one, you know what we do now? We get bad mind, covetous and grievous against each other. You see me? And hate. And this is why we find ourselves, we cannot build, we cannot rise to the top, my people. And that's why later we stuck, can't move. We see a man buy a car and we say, yo, where him do if you buy this a car? Where him do? But you don't know. These men smart, they get knowledge from people, but we feel. Somebody try to put knowledge in our head, we get bad mind against them. I want to kill them, I want to rob them, I want to shoot them. You see me? I said the thing, man. It's just sad. And me see where a lot of people are poor, they love, they cannot believe. Because people, this youth I tell them, me get a lot of a good youth, you know. The youth never dead, you know. A good youth. And then a bad youth. You see me? And then a youth we are doing not, you see me? A good youth. But they are the one the people them say, come here tell you from credible source who dead, you know what I mean? Say, look here, from this youth, reach the first week, he's having issue, but him not give up. You know a yard man, my people. Him go for your purpose, I say, you know, I'm not pay the boy and the mine, you know. You see me? He talk to people on the phone and say, look, I get a look of fight now that thing, you know. But you don't know, me not pay the youth on the mind. You see me, I try my best to avoid him, I try my best to stay away from him. You see my people? And you see where it end up to? Bro, it's a sad situation. And from me, the attacking boss, the whole team, the whole works, I want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family and loved ones of this young man, Shamare, and may his soul rest in peace. And for that wicked something there, honestly, I know they will look on it and say, whatever happened, to them did not the altercation. But I hope say them can get the witness source and everything where this thing is coming from. And that's something need to hold accountable for the death of this young man. A wicked, it two of them man in the people, because in the end, you know, boy, I'm more than one whom him get. You were dead, I'm more than one whom him get my people. But me I tell you, it's just sad. It's just sad, man. It could have been, you know what I mean, people? You could have been you, me. We go over there for better than youth. I give a headache, I go fight until they just can't take it no more, until they say, your brother and that. You know what I mean? But deep inside him have a plan, because he have a tool on him. He might carry a tool on him. You have a determination. So look at the boy, I want to get rid of the boy. I want to deal with that boy. You know what I mean? It was there in his mindset. It was there. It was like premeditated, my people. And unfortunately, it took out the people and youth. Left two local youth, 2-year-old and 10-year-old fatherless at Jamaica or overseas anywhere them there. Right now, my people. No daddy. You see me? The sad thing is daddy gone in such a terrible and wicked way. The whole Jamaica fire brigade system, Trenchtown especially, my deepest condolences, as I said, the mother, the father, all the families of Shamare. Yes, his mother, right now, she can't take it, my people. She feel it because she and this youth was so close. You understand? They have this bond together. So when I say I spend all of these minutes on doing a topic like this, people, I know say a real story, I know so I feel it to my heart. But again, I just want to say, my people, big up on yourself and more love and more respect, and thank you for the love, for the support, the like, the share, and every comments. You don't know, say, I one team, I one dream, I one scheme, and just remember to subscribe, my people. And for all wicked ones, a straight attack. Man, not stop attack. Shamare, rest in peace, youth. And remember, people, follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, NEWLINK Production Official. Follow the Facebook page for people. Type it in, NEWLINK Production Official. Follow the Instagram, follow the TikTok, my people. You understand? Follow the X. Follow the, you know what I mean, my people? Just follow the works and support the attacking boss. Some people, NEWLINK back to school treat. Support the movement, you see me? We're going to do a live soon, my people. I want the people them join and give a donation towards the cards, you know. September, people do a thing, do a cause. You know what I mean? And for the youth them, you get me as a people, and for the people, what they call it, homeless, are the people them in the street who know nothing, because we want to do a cause for them too. We do it before, I want to do it again. Peace out, my people, and stay safe. Judge you. It's a sad story, man, but you don't know anything. Attack! All envious and bad mind and grievous one against their own brothers and sisters. Straight attack. Peace out, my people. Stay safe. Blessings. Big up.